Unlocking online earnings with AI, your path to financial freedom. Hello and welcome to today's video. In this 8-minute journey, we're going to explore the incredible world of online earning using artificial intelligence. Whether you're a seasoned online entrepreneur or just starting out, AI has the power to transform the way you make money online. So, grab a notepad and let's get started. Our first stop on this AI-powered earning adventure is freelancing platforms. AI can help you identify in-demand skills and trends, making it easier to choose the right freelancing niche. You can use AI tools to optimize your gig titles, descriptions, and pricing for maximum visibility and income. Now, let's dive into affiliate marketing. AI can analyze data and trends to help you pick the most profitable products and niches. It can also assist in creating personalized marketing strategies, optimizing your ad spend, and increasing your commissions. Up next, dropshipping and e-commerce. AI can assist in inventory management, demand forecasting, and even chatbots for customer support. It's the backbone of many successful online stores, providing efficiency and improved user experiences. Segment 4: 1 minute. Taking a look at content creation, AI can be your creative partner. It can generate content ideas, assist in writing articles, or even create compelling videos using AI-powered tools. This can save you time and help you produce high-quality content consistently. Segment 5: 1 minute. Host, on camera. Subscription models and online courses are booming. AI can personalize learning experiences, recommend courses, and track student progress, enhancing the value you provide to your audience and increasing your online earnings. Segment 6: 1 minute. Host, on camera. Moving to social media, AI can help you automate posts, analyze engagement data, and even schedule content for optimal times. This way, you can build a strong online presence and monetize your social media platforms. Segment 7: 1 minute. Host, on camera. Now, let's discuss investing with AI. AI-powered trading algorithms can make informed investment decisions, manage your portfolio, and help you grow your wealth in the financial markets. It's a powerful tool for both beginners and experienced investors. Conclusion: 30 seconds. Host, on camera. As we wrap up this 8-minute journey, it's clear that AI is a game-changer for online earnings. By harnessing the power of AI, you can unlock new opportunities, optimize your strategies, and ultimately increase your income in various online ventures. So, whether you're freelancing, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, content creation, or exploring other methods, remember that AI is your ally on the path to financial freedom. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember to like and subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.